Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and today we're going to talk about some trouble for Tesla. In the last 2 days, the stock fell by over $40. Yesterday, that was the January 18th. That is big. What's going on? What is happening? Anyway, so Tesla has two issues going on that got investors very jittery. But before I tell you that, I want to again thank you for supporting this channel and help me change the world one electric car at a time. And please subscribe and support this channel by becoming a patron. I appreciate all my patrons. Thank you. So Tesla, let's talk about Tesla's troubles. Two of them. Number one, well, it's three of them. The stock declining is a result of the other two. So that's really three. But let's talk about the two that I said. Number one is Tesla announced that they're laying off 7% of the workforce, which translate to about 3,000 people. Yes, 3,000 people. Now, just for perspective, Tesla added 30% to their workforce last year while they were ramping up their production of the Model 3. So in order for the Model 3 to be really profitable, you got to find ways to save. Now, of course, you feel bad and it's terrible, and these are full-time workers, so that's really too bad. Number two, now usually on news like this, stocks go up, but there is some kind of a sense that Tesla is not making profit again. So that's probably what it is. Number two is a recall. You know, it's a recall. 14,000 Model S's from 2014 to 2016 in China because of airbag issues. Not that it's manufactured by a Chinese company called Takata, and they are going to be recalled not only in Tesla, in other cars, in other manufacturers who use this airbag. Apparently, it caused a lot of fatalities. I don't know if it's in Tesla cars or it's in general, but either way, it's Tesla decided to recall them. They were like, I don't know if they were exploding or they spreading shrapnel like this, like little shrapnels when they deployed. Be that as it may, they're going to be recalled and replaced, and as you know, recall is very expensive. So on these two news, and also not meeting some kind of productions in fourth quarter, Tesla stock got hit. Now, compound to that, at the end of the month, Tesla has almost $1 billion, $920 million payment due for bonds that they have created. So, you know, it was like like a domino effect, one after the other. So hopefully, you know, I give you the news, however that is, good, bad, or in between. So hopefully this is just, you know, a difficulty. Elon Musk said that last year was the most difficult year. Look, being in a car business is brutal. It's a brutal business, no matter what car you are producing. They come and they go. They go bankrupt and they come back, and they go bankrupt and they don't come back anymore. So we all know that, no matter what, especially a car company that is so innovative and on and on and on we go. I don't want to discuss that, but it is difficult, man. It is hard business, and you have to be innovative and you have to be very creative. Okay, very creative. All right, so that's that. Any bad news, you know, let me know, let us know. How about some good news? It's going to be snowing tomorrow here. Big time snow. I like that. We'll take the Tesla for a snow drive tomorrow. It'll be nice. All right, guys, see you tomorrow. Please don't forget to subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And don't forget to support this awesome channel by becoming a patron. See you tomorrow, guys.